Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for joining me today. If you are returning back, what's up? And today is the first time turning to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing, girl? Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, so with that you'll be informed when I have a new video on my channel. Today I'm coming up to you with a wig tutorial. First time, yes, this is my first time of doing wig on this channel, and it was really fun. It was super easy because I was always thinking it's difficult, you know, to make a wig on camera, but I really make my way out. I'm really loving the wig and how it turned out to. And before I forget, this wig is not mine. I was given to make it to a wig. It comes as a bundle, so 3 bundles with 1 normal lace closure. Yeah, this hair I'm not going to be leaving any link because I don't know where she got it from. So yeah, I'm just going to tell you the texture of the wig, the texture of the hair. It's a very beautiful hair. It's a kinky curly hair. It came in 3 bundles, like I just said, with 1 lace match closure, in 18, 16, 14 with a 14-inch closure, and which is pretty handsome. To work with this wig, it was super duper easy, like, trust me. And yeah, and it's really full. The left from this wig is just this piece right here, this little piece right here. I've washed it already. If I am going to style this wig, this is how I am going to style it, because I love my side parts wig. Of course, it's a center parts. You can do it like so, just do it like so, yeah. But I love my wig to look like this, okay? I don't know why, that's my style, okay? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I just said, I have no link to this hair or whatsoever. Just keep around, just enjoy the video how I make the wig. This is my first time of doing wig. I just said on my channel, this is my first time of doing the wig. We're doing a wig on my channel, so I hope you guys learned something from it. Please don't forget to share this video, it means a lot to me. And please also comment and let me know what you think, okay, if I did mess up. Okay, so without any further rambling, let's go just, you know, get this wig popping. Let's see the video of this hair, of this wig, not hair, of this wig. Okay. Yeah, pretty much it's no long talking. You know what to do. As always, don't forget to do you. Stay pretty, stay blessed, and I will catch you in my next video. And thank you for watching. Take care, ciao. Mwah.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. does perfect even mean? Is there even such a